Hey ho, just a quick video. I set myself a challenge of what I can program in 24 hours. I ended up extending that to 48 hours because at one point I realized I should go to sleep if I want to work the next day, which I had to. And so it's actually like 2 days instead of 1 day, but most of the stuff was done on the first day and a bit on the second day. So the idea was making a Sokoban game. So it's super simple. I'm currently in the edit view. So we are at level 0, and I can like choose different terrain tiles, and I can also like place new crates. I could theoretically also place new persons, but that's not really correctly implemented. So I can press start, and then, I mean, it's a stupidly simple Sokoban game. If I reach the goal, I reach the next level. And it, of course, supports like undo, and it supports like a complete reset. And also, of course, you can undo the reset. So let's just finish that. So it like I can stay on the input and it will just run, and also I can like rapidly trigger the buttons, and so it runs faster. So it essentially has a queue of button inputs, and the more inputs there are in the queue, the faster the animation is. So right, that was it. So essentially I can have like 32 levels, and it will just go to the next level. Right. So this seems a bit boring for 24 hours, or actually 48 hours. Well, part of the challenge was also obviously making the graphics, and the other part of the challenge was, well, making the editor for the art. So this is the art editor I made. It works like, well, a regular pixel edit thing. I can have, like, right, you see my cursor here. I have the colors on the left side. I cheated there. I downloaded a palette because I was too lazy to figure out colors myself. Right, so I can draw around. I can, of course, undo. I can redo. Let's just undo all of that. I can select the colors with like the mouse wheel. If I press down Shift, I can like draw lines. I can also press down R for rectangle, so I have like a rectangle I can do. I can also do right click, which deletes stuff. I can also do right click in combination with the rectangle or the line or whatever. I can, so the thing knows that I'm, oh right, so the thing top left here is what I actually use to draw the other things. So the thing can only handle exactly one texture, like my program itself as well. So my program can only draw textures. And given that I have to draw this texture here, like the whole thing is one texture, yeah, that's why the top left part is a white triangle, so I can draw all the other stuff with it. So the program knows that I'm doing like tile-based stuff with like 16 by 16 pixels, and so if I go into any tile, I can press C for like copy, and then I can go to another tile and press V, so I can copy paste something. I can go somewhere and press F for flip, so that flips the whole thing. Right, I have some numbers and stuff. Right, so you see there are mirrors here, so if you know what's currently going on in the puzzle game world, that's the next thing I'm going to do. Right, and yeah, that was the art editor. Right, and also as part of the challenge, what I did not show you before, if we go back to the main no, I don't want to change my mouse. What? So if I go back here, what I didn't show you before, I have some stupidly annoying, wait, let me, hello. I have some annoying chiptune music going on in the background. And of course, I made the editor for that also. So, no, I wanted to end this program. So this is essentially a tracker. If you have ever used those, maybe you understand what's going on. So what we have here is, right, you see my cursor probably. We have like, we always have 16 nodes next to each other and 6 lines on top of each other. So you see like this part here, the dark part at the bottom, at the top. It's like one area that's like one bar in music, and right. So this is essentially 4 bars, but they're stacked on top of each other instead of next to each other. So right, so there's always 2 bars at the top with nodes, so I can. I don't remember the controls. Oh right, I forgot what it was. It was a C4, right? So I can right change the node like up and down, and also delete it and make a new one. And then I have for the other 4 lines like an open hi-hat, a closed hi-hat, a snare drum, and a bass drum. And yeah, so I made that super simple tracker. Just like with the art editor, it can only change exactly this one file, like there's no loading and saving. I mean, there's auto loading and auto saving, but I can't select anything. So yeah, that was the whole thing, and thanks for watching.